welcome to another video everyone. Thanks for joining me. This one's a little bit different. I was actually sent this craft resin starter kit for free, but I'm not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. They just sent it me for free to try out and see if I liked it and to show you guys. So here it is. I'll add some links in the description for you to check them out. I'm really sorry, I don't know what happened with the camera, but the bottom part of the video is been cut off a little bit, but don't worry, you can still see all the important stuff. Thanks for watching, I really hope you enjoy it. I'm just adding some glow-in-the-dark liquid pigments into my little plastic cups to get ready, and now I'm adding some mica powders into some cups to get ready too. It's better to have as much ready before you start mixing the resin as you can. I've just put my respirator mask on and I'm putting my gloves on too, and now I'm mixing the resin. This resin is 1 part A and 1 part B, which is really good because it's easier to figure out rather than 3 parts one to 1 part the other. I just wanted to also mention these bottles were really secure. They actually come with an extra seal, like a plastic lid inside the lid, which I had to pop out before I could pour them, which is really good. The little stir stick they give you is really cute and handy too, but it is plastic, so if you're using it with resin you should always wipe it clean after using it, because if you leave resin on there it will stay on there. Now I'm just using a lighter to pop a few bubbles inside the pot, and I fill some resin into my little pots with the powders and the glow-in-the-dark pigments. Now I'm just giving them a good stir, make sure they're all mixed thoroughly. Now I pour some resin into the top 3 sections of this mould, and I do use my lighter again just to make sure there's no little bubbles on the top. I'm putting the little starfish into the first mould. I'm just adding a little bit of glitter for some colour into the first mould. And then I get my alcohol inks ready. These ones are the Pinata alcohol inks for the next 2 sections. Now I'm using the little pots of the colour I've already made with the powders, and then I use the glow-in-the-dark ones on the next 2 hearts. Sorry you can't see this bit, but I'm actually pouring some clear resin into the last 2 heart sections of this mould, and then I'm using alcohol inks in the last 2 ones. I had a little bit of resin left over, which I never waste, so I'm just going to do a couple of little Pikachus with some alcohol ink. was a little bit disappointed. You can't really see much of the glow in the dark orange. The blue definitely took over that, but that is completely down to me, nothing to do with the resin. All in all, I really like this resin. It seemed to be quite a bit thicker than the resin I'm used to, but there is a tip on the box that you can put it in some warm water to minimise bubbles and make it slightly more fluid, which I might try in my next video. I absolutely love alcohol ink and resin. They're always so different and unique, and you never quite know what you're going to get. So I have really enjoyed making this video, and I hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like the video, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye.